What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Pump Fun. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the official website here for Pump Fun, which is pump.fun. Now, from here in their website, what we need to do is we need to look for a very specific link or a very specific option here, which in this case, at the very top right here, you should be able to see a button or link that says Connect Wallet. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in here, you have two options or multiple options. Now, in this case, you could enter your email here to sign in with your account, or you could choose your Phantom Wallet. Now, by the way, if you don't see your Phantom Wallet or the Phantom Wallet option here, you can go and click on More Wallets to see other wallets that you could connect. But in this case, since we want to connect our Phantom Wallet, let's go and click on Phantom Wallet. And from here, it should pop up a section or a Phantom Wallet notification here. What we need to do is we just need to click on the Connect option here. And we need to sign a message. Let's go and click on Confirm. And that should sign us in. In this case, you can now have your username and your bio. Just click on Save once you're done and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.